welcome to GCCars, and my name is Eric, and today we're going to take a highway POV test drive in this 2022 Volvo V90 Cross Country B6. In this highway POV test drive, we're going to test, if we can, do a little handling test, and then after that, we're going to test the assist systems, such as the lane keep assist, the adaptive cruise control, as well as the pilot assist we have in here. But before we do that, make sure to click in the top right hand corner if you want to hear all my thoughts about this 2022 Volvo V90 Cross Country B6, because I have a full-on review about this car. We talk about the interior, the exterior, and everything else right there. Without further ado, let's start off with the handling test here. Understeer there, but I mean, of course we're on winter tires, so we can't expect just as much as we would expect on summer tires, but honestly felt pretty good. There's a bit of understeer, but if you can't push through it, we got all-wheel drive, right? So you can push through it a little. If you give it a bit more gas, it actually doesn't get worse. You regain a bit of traction and grip on the front end. So yeah, definitely handles totally fine. Okay, but now let's get started with the adaptive cruise control and the pilot assist. We just press the button here on the left, set up our speed, currently set up to what we're driving right now, so let's just keep it like that. And actually let's go a little faster, but I don't want to overtake the cars in the middle lane. We'll just turn it a little faster, and we're gonna run up to that Nissan up front anyway. Okay. So that's adaptive cruise control, and it's gonna brake us for a traffic jam. Exciting. Not really, but it doesn't matter because we can still do what we want to do. Let's test the pilot assist, which is semi-autonomous, so I will just stop steering. Oh, it's just a quick one, okay. And the car is steering. I'm not giving it any steering inputs, but I got my hands on the steering wheel. Like I said, semi-autonomous system, not meant to drive itself. Simply doing it like this, so you can see that I'm not giving any inputs. And the pilot assist here in the Volvo V90, I've had it in the XC90 but I think it's a little better here, is fantastic. It's a nice lane centering assist, and it just works so well. We can see it up in the... You driving, buddy. Don't give me a brake warning when you are driving. Like, I mean, like the steering and the braking of the throttle. That's all car right now. Oh, I think they're just coming up. Let me just deactivate this, so we're full manual control again, because I do not intend to turn off there. Okay, but let's go back into... Sorry, buddy. Saw that a little late, otherwise I would have let you in. Let's go back into pilot assist. So the car's steering, the car's doing the throttle and the braking, and it just works so well. I just got out of a Kia Carnival, reviews online on the channel if you're interested, and that's a system that works really, really well. But this pilot assist is just... I think so far I had to intervene once. A little hard on the braking here. It could be a little smoother on the adaptive cruise control. Just look a little further ahead, and then I could see what's going on. But overall, I would say it's fine. I don't know why there's so much traffic right now. But anyway, let's reactivate pilot assist. And you can see it just steers perfectly. It really knows where the lane is. Centers us very well. It's such a nice system, and like I said, it's a semi-autonomous system, so you're not supposed to take your hands off the steering wheel, and it's not driving for you, it's assisting you while driving. But you can just, you put your hands on the steering wheel, you monitor everything that's going on ahead, and it really just drives for you. And especially in situations like these, you come from a tough day, maybe a long day of work or something, and you just do this, and you literally don't have to do anything besides monitoring it. And it is just so relaxing. I'm not steering. I'm just simulating how you would drive it, right? Hands on the steering wheel, not giving any input right now. And it's just so relaxing because you can just relax. You could put on your music with the bows and Wilkins we have in here, and it would be really nice, very relaxing. Don't have to do much. No, it's a great system. It's a great system. Maybe the best one. I'm not too sure. We need to make a comparison. Maybe I get to do that in 2022. like a full-on comparison test, because Distronic Plus with steering assist is really good, and that one can change lanes as well. This one doesn't, but it's still like, it's so good. Anyhow, with this traffic here, I don't think there's much more what we can do, but we did do what I wanted to do. That was a terrible sentence. We did test the adaptive cruise control, we did test the handling and the pilot assist. So, because in these POV drives I also want to give you a bit of a chance to hear how it is to drive, I'm just going to be quiet for about 30 seconds, and after that I'm going to chime in, and we're going to end this video probably, but I'm going to tell you a thing or two at the end before that. Okay, and yeah, last few things I wanted to say is, first of all, thank you for watching, obviously. But we have 2 more POV test drives about this Volvo V90 Cross Country. We always do 3. This is the highway POV test drive, obviously. And then we have a night POV test drive where we test the headlights and we go for a little launch. And then we have a city POV test drive where we just tested a little bit of stop and go traffic, where we can see how smooth the drivetrain is. But other than that, of course, for all my thoughts on this 2022 Volvo V90 Cross Country, that's such a long name. Make sure to click in the top right hand corner or somewhere on your screen right now to find my full review. Anyhow, thank you so much for watching. Hope you liked it, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. And thank you and goodbye.